Welcome to JH. Have you heard of Facebook user privacy settlement.com? It claims to be the official portal for checking your claim status and payout details. I know, a website promising free money from a legal settlement sounds about as trustworthy as gas station sushi, but stay with me and I'll clear it all up for you. This whole mess stems from allegations that Facebook shared your personal data with app developers and data brokers without bothering to ask. Shocking, right? It's almost like they don't value our privacy as much as their quarterly profit margins. The case, overseen by a judge in California, covers basically every U.S. user who had an account between May 2007 and December 2022. Meta denies any wrongdoing, of course, but they've agreed to cough up a cool $725 million just to make the headache go away. After the lawyers take their massive cut, because let's be honest, they're the ones actually getting rich here. The rest gets split among the approved users. Your share depends on how long you spent on the platform. Basically, the longer you've been scrolling through your high school rivals' vacation photos, the bigger your slice of the pie. The good news is that payments have already started rolling out and will continue over the next 10 weeks. If you're approved, you'll get an email a few days before the money is sent. If you see a message from the official settlement contact, don't just delete it thinking it's another Nigerian prince scam. It's actually legitimate. The court appointed Onion Group LLC as the sole administrator to handle the claims and distribute the cash, which makes the whole process official and above board. So, is the website legit? Yes, absolutely. It's the court-approved home for the Facebook user privacy settlement. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more updates. Or don't. I'm not your boss.